Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back. We're back today. We're going to do our second account budget, and we are going to do our debt. We're going to do our debt update, which is exciting because we've got good things going on there, and I've got a new sheet for that. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, and if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more. It's gonna be great. It's always a good time. A mess, but a good time. All right, I will see you all in just a minute. Alrighty, let's get going. Paycheck date is gonna be April 16th, 2021. Here's our budget. So we've got our car payment coming out. That's going to be $604. I'm a little scared. I'm too far away from the mic. Okay, $604. You got car wash. I finally was able to actually start washing my car, y'all. I'm so excited. It's all nice and clean now, which I need because terrible, horrible pollen here in Texas. Car savings. I spent a little car savings recently because I went and bought some new of those microfiber drying cloths so that I could dry off my car after I wash it, maintenance things. And then I bought some of those protector wipes. So that was great. But we have $35 going into that account. Also, I'm very excited because since we've been locked up in these houses for like over a year, not really going anywhere, I haven't had as many miles put on my car. I haven't had to run and get my oil changed, what feels like every 5 seconds. So I'm hitting the point where it's about time for me to go and get my oil changed again. But I still have a little bit further to go. So I've actually been able to save some money towards my car savings. So that's been lovely. Annual is $40. HBO Max gets $16. Debt gets $457. And cushion gets $11. Oops. Gets $11. Okay. So that is the total for that one. And with that, we have everything for the budget is set up. I never close this one out because these are literally like the numbers don't change. They stay the same. I do want to actually start tracking my beginning balance. As you can see down here, I have 3 different accounts in this one. So beginning balance, I would like to beginning and ending balance because I want to make sure I'm actually like building my cushion, and I'm not too sure I'm always doing that because I'm not tracking it. So I do want to make that change for sure, but the budget's set up and ready to go. So we are done with that one because that's everything that comes out of this account per month. And now we see our new form that I have, which is a little hard to see because there's a lot going on in there. So I'm going to take it down just a little bit more and see if we can get it to focus just a little. It's still hard to see. Okay, this is payment. This says monthly total percentage to pay off. I made some new forms so I could track the payments that I'm making. We're going to see if I like it because, as you all may remember, I was using I was just writing it down. So here's my old page. Oh, look at that. Look, that's huge. Okay, here's my old page where I was just writing everything down, right? Which was fine, not a problem. But I was like, ooh, it would be nice to actually have something that was a little bit more, I don't know, I guess together, a little bit more in one place. All of that jazz, right? So now we have this little form I'm going to try to use, but this was so much bigger and so much easier for you all to see. So let's see how this goes. We'll see. But I need to fill in. So January, you can kind of see that. Okay. January, we paid, we didn't even make a whole bunch of different payments. So I guess I could have definitely have changed this up. You know what? I might not use this because I think I want to make I want to get rid of some of these lines. make it a little bit bigger. So let's just, for now, I'll continue to use, well, let's see. Yeah, because I want to do amount owed, payment, the payment spaces, and then monthly total and percentage to pay off. So we'll wait then before we start using that one, and we'll just use this one for now. One thing I was definitely not prepared for, though, was to actually see how much I paid. Oh my gosh. So hold for just, okay, there we go. So we have 2 payments for March. We paid $647, and then we paid $603.63, and then pay off amount. So this is a total of, let's add that up. So let's add that up. That's 647 plus 603.63, 1,000. Make sure you can see that. Okay. $1,250.63. This is a little bit less than what we paid last month. So, you know, that's interesting to see kind of when I'm paying a little bit more, when I'm paying a little bit less. And then amount owed starting in April. Let's go see what that is. Yes. Okay. $9,294.38. And then let's go backtrack, because I want to make sure, because I might not be right. It's not. I was like, that's a lot. Okay, in April, we're looking at $8,687.59. There you go. So whoop whoop, y'all. 8,000 left. 8,000 left to go. Hopefully we can continue to make these payments. Oh, I'm super excited, y'all, because next month, or well, still this month, our next paycheck is our 3rd paycheck for the month, which means I get to make an extra debt payment. So super excited, super ready to go. I'll see you all in a little bit. In fact, I think actually though, because I'm like a paycheck ahead, I suppose, that paycheck, that extra payment will be one of the only payments made. So we'll make our regular payment in April. We will make the payment from the 3rd paycheck in April, and then we'll make the additional payment that we get. So we'll see how much that ends up actually being that we pay off in April. It'll be a little bit more, some extra. All right, y'all, that is it. We're all done. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.